it's Gina with WTI, and I am super stoked that baggy high-waisted jeans are back in style. And to keep up with the trends, I went ahead and got a pair of these jeans from Franhais. I love that they're a soft denim. It doesn't feel like you're wearing super stiff jeans. They have that awesome 90s throwback look to them that definitely takes me back, and they are so comfortable to wear. I can wear anywhere between a size 4 or 8 in jeans depending on the brand. When I saw the measurements for this pair, I went ahead and got a size medium. I have a 30-inch waist and 42-inch hips, and these fit me snugly. So if you're looking for a looser look, you might want to size up. I'm 5'4", and when I stand with these without any shoes on, it comes about 1.5 inches past the bottom of my heel. I got the color Moon Blue. It has some nice variations of blue and white in it that give it a nice two-tone look. These are such cute jeans. I love that I can just wear them with basically anything. And that's my point of view.